When lightning strikes an airplane, it typically has minimal impact on the aircraft and the passengers. Commercial airplanes are designed to safely withstand lightning strikes and continue flying without any significant damage. Here's what happens when a plane is struck by lightning. Lightning protection. Aircraft are equipped with various lightning protection measures. They have conductive materials integrated into their structure, such as aluminum, which allow the lightning to follow a path of least resistance around the aircraft. This helps protect critical components and systems from the direct effects of lightning. Lightning conduction. When lightning strikes an aircraft, it primarily travels along the conductive exterior skin of the plane, known as the skin effect. This allows the lightning's electrical charge to be dissipated harmlessly into the surrounding atmosphere. Electrical systems. The aircraft's electrical systems are designed to handle transient electrical disturbances caused by lightning strikes. They have robust grounding and shielding to prevent damage to sensitive equipment and electronics. No fuel ignition. Contrary to popular belief, a lightning strike does not typically ignite fuel or cause an explosion. Jet fuel is not easily ignitable by a momentary electrical discharge, and fuel tanks are designed to prevent any sparks or flames from propagating. Possible effects. Although the plane itself is generally safe, there can be some minor consequences. The lightning strike may cause temporary disruptions or interference in the aircraft's electronic systems, leading to flickering lights, momentary instrument malfunctions, or static noise in communication systems. However, these disruptions are usually brief and do not pose a significant threat to the aircraft's overall operation. Post-strike inspection. After a lightning strike, pilots typically report the incident to the airline, and the aircraft undergoes a thorough inspection as a precautionary measure. This ensures that there are no hidden damages or effects that could compromise the aircraft's safety. Overall, while a lightning strike may startle passengers and crew, modern airplanes are designed to handle such events without major issues. They are engineered to dissipate the electrical charge and protect critical systems, ensuring the safety of everyone on board.